Come along, it's time to play. Let's hear what animals say. The cat goes meow, 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 meow. The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. The fly goes buzz, 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 buzz. The horse goes neigh, 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 neigh. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. The sheep goes baa, ba, ba, ba. And the cow goes moo, 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 moo. Clap your hands and sing out loud. Animal sounds make us proud. The hen goes cluck, 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 cluck. The duck goes quack, quack, bark, quack. The sparrow goes chirp, 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 chirp. And the turkey goes gobble, 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 gobble. The elephant goes trumpet, 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 trumpet. The gorilla goes grunt, 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 grunt. The hippopotamus goes rumble, rumble, rumble. And the lion goes roar, 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 roar. Clap your hands and sing out loud. Animal sounds make us proud. The whale goes sing, 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 sing. The walrus goes groan, 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 groan. The seal goes bark, 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 bark. And the seagull goes squawk, 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 squawk. Clap your hands and sing out loud. Animal sounds make us proud. The owl goes hoot, 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 hoot. The parrot goes screech, 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 screech. The crow goes caw, 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 caw. And the cuckoo goes coo, 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 coo. The hamster goes squeak, 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 squeak. The hog goes grunt, 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 grunt. The donkey goes hee-haw, hee-haw. And the zebra goes whinny, 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 whinny. Clap your hands and sing out loud. Animal sounds make us proud. The hyena goes laugh, 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 laugh. The snake goes hiss, 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 hiss. The coyote goes bark, 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 bark. And the wolf goes howl, 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 howl. Then again a pig goes squeak, 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 squeak. The frog goes ribbit, 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 ribbit. The squirrel goes chatter, 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 chatter. And the bee goes buzz, buzz.